Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this tutorial is going to be on how I blow dry my hair at home. So how you can get that sort of salon blow dry at home. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And to my existing subscribers, thank you so much. And if you want to see how I achieve this look and how I blow dried out my hair, stay tuned. Oh, and by the way, my hair texture is a 3C4A. So if your hair is similar to mine and you want to know how I achieved this blowout look, please stay tuned. And thank you so much for your support, guys, and take care. Bye. Mwah. Hey guys, so before I get started, I'm going to show you my natural texture hair. So this is what it looks like so far. I have separated my hair into singular plaits. It's just because I find it much more easier to separate the hair by putting it in plaits and maybe leaving it for a day. Now my hair has been in plaits, singular plaits, for about 3 days now. It's up to you if you want to wash your hair and blow dry it straight away, that's up to you. I tend to leave it like a day later, but as I've been a bit busy, I've left it about 3 days, 2 to 3 days. So I'm going to show you how I blow dry my hair. So my texture hair is a 3C4A texture. So it's quite curly cold as well at the same time. I find that the back is much more thicker than the front. So I'm going to apply a little bit more heat at the back more than the front. So the blow dry I'm going to use is the Babyliss Get Your Look Super Smooth 2200 power blow dryer, and it looks like this, as you can see. So I'm going to be using medium heat first of all, just to stretch out the hair, and then I'm going to use a very high heat to blow dry it using this paddle brush from Tresemme, which is my favourite paddle brush to use when blow drying my hair. And then I'm going to use this bristle brush just to give it some volume, just to comb underneath the hair. And I'll be using the Tresemme Keratine Smooth Heat Protectant Spray, which I'll be spraying on my hair before any heat is applied to my hair. So I'll be using that. And then I will show you what I'll use to finish it off, just to give it a shine and bouncy, voluminous look to it. So I'm just going to go in. Ignore my top, it keeps falling off. This top is from Shein, so it kind of looks like this. So if you want to know where I got my top from, let me know, and I'll list it in the description bar below. So I'm just going to go and get straight into it. So I'm going to start off by using the... Let me just get my big tooth comb. So this is the tooth comb I'll be using. So I'm just going to start off by combing out the hair a bit. Let me spray it first. Just going to shake it just to smooth it in the hair. I'm just working that in the hair so the hair is protected from heat. Okay, now I'm going to comb it out a bit so it doesn't get too tangled. So I'm just going to stretch out the hair. this is it so far, as you can see. So now I'm going to try and put it in, I'm going to put it in rollers and see if it'll give a nice voluminous look. So I'm going to start off probably by using a smaller one at the back. I'll see, because even though it's quite big, a lot of hair, I might end up using the orange one actually. So I'm just going to spray this again on my hair, on this strand. Just going to shake it again. Okay, so I've just done these two, and now I'm going to come back once I've done this side and then show you how I do the other side. Hey guys, so I've just blow dried this side of my hair and I've almost finished with this side. I've used rollers in my hair just to kind of give it that volume and bounce as well. So I'm just going to show you how I complete these last two, and I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. So I'm going to take a little pincher here and just section the plaits. I'm just taking out the plait now so I can put the heat protectant and blow it out. So I'm just going to use this hold spray from Primark, the Fitzsimons Bounce Strong Hold Hairspray, and it comes in at £2.50. So I'm just going to spray this over my hair from afar. Okay, and then now I'm going to leave it to sit for about 10-15 minutes. I might go in to dry, I might not. And then when I come back, I will start by putting this serum in my hair, which is another heat protectant. And I'll just blow dry it out a bit more just to give it that bounce. So stay tuned. Thank you. Okay guys, so it's been about 10-15 minutes. So I'm just going to start by taking the rollers out of my hair. I'm just going to blow dry the hair out a bit more. It didn't really curl underneath as much as I wanted it to. However, it's giving it like depth and volume, which I'm very happy with. But I'm just going to go in using the Frieda Frizz Ease Extra Strength Serum, which is this product here. And I'm just going to pump about 2 pumps in my hair as my hair is very thick. And one more. So this sort of clear product. I don't think you can see it, but I'm just going to apply it in my hair now. Oh, I forgot to take the other one out. So I'm going to use the same product on this side of the hair as well. Okay, so this is the finished look of the hair. So I'm extremely happy with how I managed to not use that much heat in my hair. And these products are absolutely great, guys. So the first heat protectant I used was the Tresemme used by professionals Keratine Smooth Spray, which I've used all the time for about 4 years now when blow drying out my hair. And then just to retouch with some serum, extra strength serum from Frieda, I've used this after I've added the rollers. So my honest opinion is that I feel like it's giving it volume with how I put the rollers. But this is like my usual everyday, well not every day, but every time I blow dry my hair, I would blow dry it using the blow dryer and the paddle brush. So I thought, let me try by adding the rollers just to make it look a bit more big and voluminous. I think that's how you pronounce it. And voluminous. So I think I've done a great job. I haven't used that much heat, which I'm very proud of, because I don't like to use too much heat on my hair. So I think it looks really, really good. And please, guys, if you like this tutorial, please comment below. And if you want to see some more hair videos, how I blow dry my hair, how I even wash my hair, let me know, and how I've grown my hair as well. So any comments on how you like this video, please comment below, please thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And to my existing subscribers, I love you very much and take care. Bye, guys. Mwah.